Inheritance tax has become a controversial topic recently in Indian politics. Let's explore about inheritance tax and how does it affect Hindu families in India. Inheritance tax, also known as estate tax or death duty in some countries, is a tax imposed on the transfer of assets from a deceased person to their heirs. The tax is typically based on the value of the assets transferred and can vary depending on the relationship between the deceased and the beneficiary, the total value of the estate, and the jurisdiction's tax laws. Impact on Indian Hindu families. In India, Hindu Succession Act is followed according to which the assets are divided. Currently, as per the Income Tax Act of 1961, no tax is levied on any inherited assets. Inheritance tax can have separate implications for the Hindu undivided family system, which is recognized as a separate legal entity with tax benefits that do not exist for other religions. Turmoil in Indian politics. The concept of inheritance tax has created turmoil in Indian politics due to recent remarks by the chairman of the Indian Overseas Congress. His comments is being seen as an intention to impose such tax, which would affect wealth even after death. The controversy also got fueled as such tax was abolished in 1985. Let's see arguments favoring inheritance tax. 1. Wealth redistribution. 2. Revenue generation. 3. Some argue that it is fair to tax the unearned gains that beneficiaries receive, which they did not work for. 4. Encouraging philanthropy. High inheritance taxes can encourage the wealthy to donate more to charity to reduce their taxable estate. And arguments against such tax are: 1. Double taxation. It represents double taxation since the assets were already taxed when originally earned. 2. Economic disequilibrium. It could have major implications on family-owned businesses, potentially leading to their sale or closure to pay the tax. 3. Administrative burden. The cost of administering the tax can be high relative to the revenue it generates. 4. There is a risk that it could lead to capital flight, with the wealthy moving assets abroad to avoid the tax. 5. Disinterest to save. It might discourage people from saving and investing, knowing that a significant portion of their estate will go to the government. These arguments reflect the complex nature of inheritance tax and its potential impact on society and the economy. Do like and subscribe the channel for more such content.